Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro S600 Second Stage only. So obviously it comes with a hose, just a traditional sort of rubber hose. This is like a 90 centimeter, no not a 90, this is probably about 75 centimeter hose, but yeah, you can swap that over. You do need one of their sort of high torque spanners to sort of swap that over without damaging it. But yeah, if you just need to replace your sort of primary, this is a very quick and easy way. Now the second stage itself is a very nice second stage. This is probably one of our most popular second stages because it looks good, it performs well, and it does everything that you need in a second stage. So the purge button itself, a sort of solid button on the front, so pushing that, really easy to find that. You've got metal parts all on the second stage and they all act as just sort of strength, but it also acts as heat sinks, so that's going to improve the cold water performance. This works really nice in cold waters. You have two different adjustments on this. We have a pre-dive and sort of dive venturi lever. So when it's set to dive, that just improves the airflow inside the second stage, so it's a bit more natural breathe. Pre-dive, that sort of changes the airflow on the inside, so it's less likely to free flow. If it sort of gets a rush of gas, it redirects it towards the front of the second stage. That interrupts the free flow. You also have an adjustable breathing knob on this, so screw it all the way in to make it quite stiff, or you can unscrew it to make it a bit lighter, and that's just the cracking effort, so how hard you have to inhale to actually get some air out of it, and you can do that on the fly in the water. Decent sized mouthpiece on this, nice and soft, kind of flexible. It also has a reusable cable tie, so you don't have to cut that off. You can just unhook it and then use it again, so that's very handy, so you don't have to keep a whole bunch of spares in your kit bag. And then the exhaust tee, nice and sort of smart, pretty compact, but it does sort of send the bubbles far around the side of your face. So all in all, a really nice second stage. If you're looking to get sort of a two primary setup for twins or side mount, then I'd definitely be looking at the Scubapro S600. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.